Come test drive the 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.